You don't need Photoshop, you don't need editing skill to be able to design your thumbnail. You don't even need to pay much money to be able to do that. All you need to do is to use this AI tool and you are done. This is one of the most amazing tools that I've come to do. Once you copy this link, I'm going to copy it. Okay, I'll paste it. Click enter. When that is done, read this prompt. Type even in this prompt. That's after you've registered, you've signed in with your Google Mail and every other thing. Give this prompt. After giving this prompt, you run it. Okay. They said it will take around 16 seconds to be able to give you the kind of thumbnail that you want. Okay. Wow. Okay, we're giving 10 credits. And the credit is remaining 6.4. Wow, this is a very nice thumbnail design. Just in 16 seconds, without skill, without nothing, you can get this done. Wow. Okay. Now since this is done, you can simply download it here. Click on download. Download and save it to anywhere you want to save it to. After that, more advanced prompt, and then you don't know how to run the prompt. So the easiest thing to do is you just copy this prompt. Come here, copy. I'm going to leave this prompt. Copy this prompt. After copying the prompt, go back to your Google. Okay, go to DeepSeek or ChatGPT, paste it. Okay, after pasting it, click on enter. After clicking on enter, after you might have clicked on enter, the next thing to do is to actually copy out what I was given to you. Copy it. This is stock factor, urgency hook, very element, construct, boost, primary visuals, a lot of other. So you copy them. After copying the text, you go back to your leaf. After you paste your text, after you have pasted it, okay, I want to do something. Just take a look at what I'm going to do right now. Okay, I want to copy this. Okay, cut it. After that is done, you put it here. You erase the insert text and put in the title. This is done. Then run it again. It should take another 60 seconds. This is another wonderful tool. It's a great tool. Actually. I want to copy this. Okay, cut it. After that is done, you put it here. You erase the insert text and put in the title. This is done. Then run it again. It should take another 60 seconds. This is another wonderful tool. It's a great tool. Actually. It's a great tool actually. Okay, we are waiting for it. But a wonderful tool. Another wonderful thumbnail that will take you years of learning Photoshop skill and every other thing to design. So you can actually download that by clicking on the download button. Save it here again. You can save it to your computer anywhere you want. Now you see that this is done. This is another one. Okay, now